What's poppin', jimbos? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to daylight. Look at that. I'm in the Golf. Today's gonna be a quick one. Got a box there. So one of the Golf videos we put out, we put in adjustable control arms rear to camber out the wheels so they'd fit because I was poking. So one of them blew the Godspeeds. So I wanted to make a video of me putting in some really nice ones from SPC. So I'll show you them in a bit, but let me show you what we're working with. So this is why I had to get them. If I stand on here. So it squeaks a bunch, maybe if I... So one of the bushings actually, start her up now. One of the bushings like literally fell out of where the control arm holds it. So it's a goner and we're gonna put in some new SPC. So I'm gonna go to Jordan's right now to install it and see you then. Who's gonna make it all too low? Oh, I just fucking nicked the brake. Oh, not too bad. Bro, yeah, I'm gonna need some tires ASAP. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my. And that's not even like the worst one. Woo. So we're gonna start by taking this one out because this is the camber set up perfectly here. So I'm gonna use this to get the new ones measured right and then install them. I'm gonna start by unbolting that bolt and then that one. Rip the camera. Just dirt, but it's unbolted. Come on, you bitch. This isn't the blown one, obviously, because this is the length I need. So I'm gonna work on hammering that down. Got this piece of shit. Wow. It feels so like shitty compared to the SPC. So let me go grab that. Alrighty, let's take a look. Here go the new ones. So let me open this bag up. So these are the SPC rear upper control arms, adjustable obviously. These are just so much more like, you can hear how sturdy they are. These are so ass. Oh my goodness. Good thing we're getting rid of these. This one's alright actually, not blown like the other one, so I'll probably see if anyone wants one. But what I need to do now, line these puppies up, get the right measurement. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a split. Yep, there it is. That, my friends, is no good. Well, looks like you ain't going to a new home, buddy. You are shot. Are you kidding me? Out the box, they're already basically like good. That's crazy. The red ones we have to adjust a bunch, but they're like spot on. I'm just gonna adjust it a little bit and then tighten it up. And then we will... Jesus. Alright, I'm gonna figure this out, guys. And look at that. Trying to knock it out, I just destroyed all the paint on it too, so that's nice. Alright, little interruption. We've got a Lambo to go find.
Sitting on your soon-to-be controller.
Oh, my bad. What controller? This one? Yeah. What does that control? This? The red one? Oh, is this not a game? You don't got Pac-Man on here? What the hell? It's an Evo? Yeah. In California. The boys. Oh, the Evo exhaust is sick though. Oh, the wheel. Alright, we're gonna attempt to tighten it now. Obviously I can't use two hands and film. So, does this feel alright? Looks like they're lined up good. I just need to now tighten this. I was scared of this moment, guys. I was scared of this moment. I don't know, I'm gonna fucking tighten this shit. I'll talk to y'all in a bit, alright? Hey boys, I got it, hopefully. First one's all adjusted and done. Now what we wanna do is get the right measurements. Where is that? This is what we're looking at. We're gonna wanna do it on both sides. Oh, on both sides. Have that little thing pointed down. Finally got top bolt in. It hurts, okay? So I'm gonna tighten this real quick to make sure that's tightened because that's actually what tightens the control arm. And then I'm gonna put that brake on and we're starting on the other side already. All right, this side is all done, Reno. Now to the other side. All right, boys, we just pulled the other one out. Do you notice anything different? Let's see. Huh. Bro, this whole fucking just bushing came out. That's insane. Oh, these can be rebuilt, bro. No problem. Resell. $3,000. All right, what's next? Gotta adjust this. Really want to see what happened in this thing? Check out the Insta page if you want any other like behind the scenes of the Golf. So I was kind of rushing it and I didn't put the locking nut. It's an alignment bolt, so like you already have a dial, so we're just not gonna use them. I'm gonna pop this on this side. No, boys. It's raining on us right now. The bolts are almost done. I just need to tighten them. I'm gonna throw you guys in here, protect you. Stay safe, I'll be back. Alrighty boys, we just finished up. I'm just gonna pull her out and see how it looks leveled down. I'm fucking soaked, dirty as shit. Let's pull her out. I don't hear any squeaking, just the usual lip scrape. Shitty brakes and camber plates. That looks nice. It's a little tucked, but no, it's perfect actually. And then so is this, hell yeah. When this is bagged, that's gonna be crazy. But we got no noises. We do got a loud Mustang though. Let's make sure no noises. Look at that. Let's go, baby. No noises. She's all good. She's all good. And it's peace from us. Interruption.